Molting boxes, but professional movers? We see the same mistakes over and over. Boxes stuffed till they burst, fragile things thrown in loose, last-minute additions, or expecting us to take apart furniture without warning.
These are the tips movers wish every customer knew.
This customer booked 2 movers for 2 hours, 3 flights of stairs for load and unload at an apartment with 5 flights of stairs. But this is a 2-bedroom move for load and unload. When you underbook moving time, the move doesn't get cheaper. Always overestimate your moving hours.
If you hear this sound, the damage is already done. Wrap glass individually.
By starting with a move and packing during the move is paying movers to wait. Pack before moving day.
Every obstacle adds minutes. Minutes add money. Clear paths save time.
We love pets, but they don't help the move. Movers get trailed, stared down, and sometimes coated. And fur plus rushing boxes? Achoo! Do everyone a favor. Secure pets before movers arrive.
Most moving day. 20 boxes, all twins. The customer yells,
"That one goes upstairs!"
The movers guess, and guess wrong. If everything looks the same, everything goes wrong. Label by room and by priority.
Movers charge by the hour, not for YouTube lessons. Disassemble before movers arrive.
Books are heavy. Pack them in small boxes only. Large boxes filled with books slow the move and increase the risk of damage or injury.
Think moving day is stressful? Try fitting half the building, a mountain of boxes, and a dog into one elevator that stops on every single floor. The clock keeps ticking, but the elevator? It doesn't care. Elevators don't pause the clock. Book extra time when you're moving into an apartment.
Be available during the move. Cancers prevent delays.
Most moving problems don't happen on the truck. They happen before it shows up. If these moving tips helped you, hit like and subscribe for more real-world moving advice.